What's up, Graham? It's Guys here. So you want to make money with AI? Here's the laziest way that I know of starting from zero. Although technically not the laziest, but definitely one of the easiest ways to get started. It's simple, requires absolutely no experience, and can be done in less than 3 minutes. Let's get straight into it. First, we need an idea. And for this example, I'm gonna be creating a new Twitter thread. A while back, I posted a thread about mid-sized companies who outsource their customer support to the Philippines. And as you can see, it received over 4 million views to 160,000 likes and has been a huge help to those looking to hire remote customer support. So taking this same concept, I'll use ChatGPT to quickly formulate an outline and generate tweets that people actually want to read. To do this, head over to OpenAI, call me Create, and click on ChatGPT. From here, simply ask the chatbot to create a Twitter thread about outsourcing customer support to the Philippines and give it the following parameters. Keep it under 280 characters, include for tweets, and proofread it. Then click enter and boom, just like that, we have a brand new Twitter thread ready to go. Next, copy the first tweet, head over to Twitter and paste it into a tweet. And since the prompt included all the necessary information, all you have to do is hit post. Then repeat the process by copying the next tweet, pasting, and posting until the entire thread is complete. But now there's a problem. This account has less than 1,000 followers, so it's unlikely that this thread will receive any attention unless we do this one very important thing. Essentially, the more specific and targeted your tweet, the higher likelihood it'll be seen by someone who wants to read it. So by using relevant hashtags, we increase the chances of being discovered. For this example, we could use hashtags like #outsourcing, #customer service, #hiring, etc. Now technically, you could stop right here, and if you're consistent with posting, you'll eventually build up an audience and start seeing results. But for the laziest approach possible, I recommend using a growth service to get your account in front of a highly targeted audience. They've helped me grow multiple accounts to over 10,000 followers, and the best part is they only charge a small fee per month. You can find the link to this service in the description below. But in the meantime, here are some other examples of lazy ways to make money with AI. 1. Create an ebook or guide on a topic you're knowledgeable about. Use ChatGPT to format it. Add headings and chapters, and then use Canva to design a professional-looking cover. After that, you can upload it to Gumroad and start making sales. 2. Identify a pain point or a problem you've experienced firsthand. Offer to solve that problem by creating a course and use AI to help structure the lesson plans, write the scripts, and even create summaries for each section. 3. Become a freelance writer. There's an endless amount of businesses looking to outsource their writing, and with the help of AI, you can produce high-quality work in a fraction of the time. Or 4. Create a newsletter and use AI to help write the articles. I mean, just look at how many subscribers one newsletter was able to get in just a few months. The possibilities are really endless, but the key is to use AI as a tool to expedite your progress and free up more of your time. Honestly, there's never been a more exciting time to start a business, and with the help of AI, the possibilities are really endless. So start experimenting, stay curious, and keep learning, because the more you put in, the more you'll get out. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, feel free to follow me on social media. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.